Hey guys, welcome back to the Fragrance Wardrobe. Today, I did it. I said when I first did my first impression of Reborn from FSMQ Fragrances, I was going to blind buy the other two offerings. Well, I did just that. So I backed up what my mouth was spitting out a month or two ago. Did blind buy them because of how great Reborn was, how beautiful of a blend it was, how luxurious it was. It gave me total confidence to blind buy Whyborne, and what was the other one called? I can't remember what the other one was called, but I blind bought both of them. So we're going to unbox them, give first impressions, let you guys know, was it worth the blind buy? And these are actually less expensive than Reborn, so I'm going to let you guys kind of know what I think about them. Before we get into this, I do want to remind you, if you see anything in the video that you like or like this type of content, give the video a like. Also, consider subscribing to the channel and ring the bell for notifications so you don't miss out on future Fragrance Wardrobe content. Let's get this box open. So, wrapped up in tissue paper, and look at that. Looks like some Bubble Boy stuff right there. Very well secured. I'm gonna have to cut that. All right. Got one more. Let's see here. All right, here we go. All right, so we have, man, I love these boxes. So we have Griffin and Whyborne. These are based off of characters from a couple books, novels. Ex Libris is, I believe, the line, I think. So yeah, FSMQ Fragrances on the back. Here we go. I do like the boxes. The printing on it looks really good. It looks like a story, you know, like what you're going for. I like that. Also, as luxurious and gentlemanly as Reborn was, I think that if these are the same way, I think the cover of the box is going to match it very well. All right, we're going to crack open Griffin first. Now, I'm not going to spray these on skin only because I'm wearing 3 other fragrances right now, so I'm testing a couple things. So, yeah, I'm testing things or sniffing my hands. All right, open it up. I like the bottle. These are gonna look like a stock bottle. I like the label on the front. It's simple. Not trying to overdo anything or reinvent the wheel. I like that. Cap is gonna slide on, slide off. And let's get a tester paddle, Jim. I know you're watching. All right, here we go. So I'll go ahead and throw one up in the air, and then we'll hit the paddle. So here's your atomizer. Good mist. That smells good. Very, very good. Did not disappoint, I can tell you that right now, just off of that first spray. It's what I was expecting. After smelling Reborn, this is pretty much what I was expecting. This comes across luxurious. It's niche. I mean, we know if you've watched the previous video, FSMQ is a brand new niche house. They launched Black Friday of 2020. Smells niche, smells of luxury, well blended. And that's one of the things I said about Reborn as well. Everything was so well blended, and it's no different with Griffin. Wow. This is something I could see a gentleman wear, for sure. This is something that I want to put on one of my suits, dress up, and smell like this. Yeah, I might wear this Monday when I go get fitted for a new suit. This smells, this is so much like suit, dress up, elegance, classiness, sophisticated. This is what, yeah, it's very, very sophisticated. Very, very nice scent. I feel like I'm picking up a little bit of leather, but nothing that could not be worn year round. So where most leather fragrances really box themselves into cool weather, this one, not so much. And it could be because of how smooth it is. And I am detecting a citrus blended in there as well. Kind of a tart citrus, probably bergamot. Musk, there's musk in there. But it's all so blended together. It's like, it's not something that each note is like on its own. It's all melded or blended. And it's blended very, very nicely. Let's go ahead and get into Whyborne. I feel like I'm really underdressed to be talking about these fragrances. That's how luxurious they are. I'm over here in a t-shirt and gym shorts like a jabroni. So, well, I'm over here like sniffing on fine luxury perfume. All right. Man, you know, the little bit that I sprayed right here too, I mean, it's just hanging in the air. I feel like this is going to perform pretty well. It has like a scent of a gentleman from like the past. That's where it's taking my mind. It's really good. Okay, moving on. Here is Whyborne. Whyborne is going to have a yellow tintish type of juice. Same type of bottle, cap, atomizer. Labels are a little bit different, but same type of label, but different name and all of that on there. We'll throw a spray in the air. Very nice. That is a very nice, very, very nice spring summer for sure. Paddle. This could play spring and summer, no doubt. Griffin, I think, can go signature scent year round. This one, I think, can as well. But if you're someone who really likes to rotate their fragrance wardrobe, like I do because I have so many, this is going to play very nicely in the warmer weather that we're having on the way. Wow. Smelling this almost leaves me a little bit speechless, besides saying wow. It's so well blended. I am so impressed. It's luxury. It is, without a doubt, luxury perfumery. There might be a little bit of rose in here. By no means is it like a rose dominant or rose centric fragrance, but I do think I'm detecting a little bit. There's an aquatic feel to it. Not like a fresh aquatic, more like a sea type of aquatic, a saltwater aquatic. A little bit of a spice in it. There's ginger in here. That's it. Yep, it's ginger. You know how I know? Because I went and ate sushi the other day, and I always get a little piece of ginger to cleanse my palate before moving on to the next roll. So that's fresh on my mind. It's very natural. It's a very natural ginger. A little bit of spiciness. You know how ginger kind of has like that little bit of sweetness too? It's like a little bit of spice, a little bit of sweet. That's what you're getting. with an aquatic sea salt type of feel. Wow. Wow. I'm going to tell you what. Both of these have me ready to suit up. For sure. Oh, wow. They're such luxury scents. That is basically, if I had to sum these up, if I had to sum up the house, let's say in like one word, I would say luxury, because they smell very expensive. These are actually like $60 a bottle, I believe. These could easily be going for much more. These could go for Creed prices, no problem. And who knows, maybe one day once FSMQ really starts taking off and people really start chattering about them, maybe they will raise them up to Creed prices. These scents are worthy of that kind of money. Very nice, very nice. Wow, I cannot take my nose off of the scent. You know, I just wore Reborn yesterday, actually. I wore Reborn yesterday. Okay, so Whyborne has an aquatic, a sea type of aquaticness to it, but also like an oriental spiciness. So, especially with that ginger in there. Very, very nice. Wow. And Griffin, where's my paddle? Yeah, Griffin has like a gentleman's study vibe. Like I'm sitting in some sort of leather chair in a study surrounded by old books. Of course I have a sport coat on or some sort of dinner jacket, probably hanging out with somebody. I mean, this is where this type of scent will take your mind. It is that good. It transports you, and that is what it transports you to a different situation or different scenario, a different place, and kind of like a book does. And I love that about fragrances that can do that. I said it when I reviewed or when I did my first impressions of Reborn. I still have a full review coming out. I'm going to say it again. This is luxury perfumery at its best. Hands down, amazing. One of these is going to make my spring list. Great job, FSMQ Fragrances. You have created 3 masterpieces in my opinion. These are awesome. Awesome. Other reviewers, if you see this, you need to at least order a discovery kit, because I think you'll like them. I think you're really going to appreciate the scents. All right, if you found this video informative, liked it, anything like that, maybe I'm turning you on to a new house and a new scent, give this video a like, helps out the visibility of the video. Also, you're at the end, you know this thing's over, we're not talking fragrance anymore, but you're still watching. Do commit to me and my channel. Commit to the Fragrance Wardrobe by hitting that subscribe button and ringing that bell so you don't miss out on future fragrance content. All right guys, thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys with the next video.